Hello, ma'am, sir. Good morning. Good day. My name is Mary Day Santos Umayam. I am 40 years old and I'm married with two kids. My eldest is a boy, he is 14 years old, and my youngest is a girl. She is 12 years old. And I love to taking care of the kids. Uh, I can do household chores. I can wash the car. I can do marketing. I can do groceries, and I love cooking. I can follow the recipe. I know how to cook basic Chinese food. And I am loyal, I am trustworthy and easy to be with. And I prepare to work alone, ma'am. I can do household chores confidently. Thank you very much and God bless you.